Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I've got a humble half a pumpkin that I've got to do something with. And this was kindly donated to me by my neighbours who grew this here. So I'm not going to be using this whole pumpkin today. I'm going to be cutting it down the middle. So basically using a quarter of a pumpkin, which I'm going to chop up. And we're going to be making a nice spicy Thai pumpkin soup, and I'm really looking forward to it. Let's get on with it. Alrighty, so I've just chopped up one onion. That was just a brown onion, just roughly chopped. Just going to saute that off for a minute in a little bit of oil. So here I've got a big knob of ginger. I've just grated. 4 cloves of garlic, grated. Right, here I've got 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. I'm just going to quickly give that a bit of a fry off as well. Alrighty, so that's been cooking away for a couple of minutes. Yeah, I'm trying to keep this recipe really simple here today. So to that end, that Thai red curry paste, I just bought that. That's a shop bought one. And now I want to add this of chicken stock, and same thing. I'm just using a store-bought chicken stock. So this is just something you can whip up really quickly. Trying to live up to the name of my channel for once. Easy and delicious. Yeah. Right, now I'm going to get my quarter of a pumpkin that I've just cut into fairly large chunks. I'm going to put those in, start simmering away. And just because I happen to have one in the freezer, I've got a pandan leaf. I've just tied in a knot. That's going to go in there as well. We'll be fishing that out once our pumpkin's cooked. So yeah, this pumpkin's really hard. It's quite it was reasonably unripe, so it'll take a little while to get this pumpkin soft. I'll get it to a boil, get it down to a simmer, and then I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so I've just turned the heat off about a little while ago. My pumpkin here, just using my skewer to check all the pieces are nice and soft, which they are. So we just want to let that cool down, and then I'm going to process it up, make it nice and smooth. Now I've only got a small food processor, so I'm going to probably have to do mine in 2 batches. Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I've pureed that soup up. Now look, this tastes fantastic already as it is. No problems at all if you just want to stop there. But I'm going to enrichen it up a little bit more, just a couple more touches. I've got here a half a cup of coconut cream. Oh, don't know if you can hear that rain outside, but it's been raining on and off all day, but it's getting really heavy. Great soup weather. So yeah, half a cup of coconut cream, and I'm just also going to add the juice of 1 lime into that. So yeah, we'll just bring that up to the heat, stir all that cream in, and she'll be ready to go. Alrighty, so as you saw, I've just served a plate of my Thai pumpkin soup. Just dressed it with a bit more coconut cream, a few coriander leaves. Let's give it a try. Yum. Very, very nice. And especially for something so easy, you saw how easy it was to make that. Did a very nice result. Spice is just coming in now, but it's just on the back of your mouthfeel. Look guys, even your friends that don't like spicy, they'll probably be able to cope with that. It's there, but it's not overpowering or anything. It's just yummy actually. Now I've just cooked up just some garlic bread to go with mine. So, yeah, nothing too fancy, it's just a good hearty winter treat. Get it onto our bread like so. Yummo. Very, very nice. Alrighty, I'm going to sit down and eat this for lunch. Thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who subscribed. Thanks to everyone who leaves a nice comment. Been a few lately. I really appreciate that too. It's awesome. If you haven't subscribed yet, can I just ask that you hit that subscribe button? It doesn't cost you anything. Just gives me encouragement to keep making these videos. I'm going to keep making them anyway, but yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you could jump on board the train here. See where we go next. Alrighty, I'll see you all next time.